Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Claude Joseph, and if it's your very first time here, kindly consider subscribing, liking and sharing this video. I'm coming live from Vasco da Gama Pillar. Welcome at Vasco da Gama Pillar. So many people may be asking, who is this Vasco da Gama? So with much ado, let me explain for you this. But before we go there, have you subscribed? Subscribe for your village boy. Kindly subscribe to this channel, like and share it with your friend or maybe your family friends. You know, it would be really nice for this village. We're on the road to 3k subscribers. I really appreciate. So without much ado, I want to be taking you a quick tour of this place called Vasco da Gama Pillar. It's based in Mombasa at a place known as Malindi. Have you ever been in Malindi? Malindi is the outskirts of Mombasa, very far from Mombasa. But for you to explore, you have to come at this place and have an amazing view of that pillar right there. I hope you see it very well. It's called Vasco da Gama Pillar, the thing you see right there. So this is one of the prominent pillars or prominent things here in Malindi that were built up as a historical sites. You know, that thing you see right there, it has more than 600 years, but you see it looks like it's kind of new, that even it was built yesterday, but the thing is it has more than 600 years. You see right behind me, right, this place is a washed rocky site by this great Indian Ocean. So that thing was built by a guy who was called Vasco da Gama. So Vasco da Gama was a son to Vasco da Gama. Vasco da Gama was one of the most Portuguese explorers. So as he was exploring right this place, he landed at a place known as Malindi. Hey, Malindi is in Kenya, guys. For those people who may be shocked, like, where is Malindi? Malindi is in Kenya. So Malindi is in Kenya, actually where you pass by Mombasa to Malindi. It's one of the best places you can come here, enjoy your life, enjoy. So Vasco da Gama was one of the best people and most prominent sailors in the world. So he built that thing. The main intention of building that pillar right there was to help what you call like the Indians or the Portuguese explorers to find what you call like a bearing. So for those people who have done what you call like mathematics, also in school and high school, we learned about bearing. So bearing is something like you find the theta or the cos or the sine. So you find the angle theta of it. So this place right here, as you see right there, let me show you. As you see right there, the main intention of building that pillar right there was to find the bearing for the people who were sailing from this great Indian Ocean, so that they cannot lost to the place where they were coming to, which is Malindi. So the main intention right there for building that thing was to find the bearing, and also to show what we call like the navigators, all the sailors, all the explorers, to come and do what we call like to find this place. It's just a very beautiful place. You can come, relax and see. So I hope you have learned something from that place right there. So the water was very far, but for now it has started coming back, you see. So this place was a very nice place, but due to heavy currents or heavy waves from this great Indian Ocean, it just washed away all soil from this place. So it left these rocky sites right here. So for those who did geography, maybe they can tell us more about this type of rocks, how they are called. With me, I did geography just a little bit, but I never finished the geography. I went for history. That's why you hear Claude Joseph giving a best history. So let me know at the comment section, for those people who did what we call like geography, how do we call these rocks right here? As you can see from that other place right there, they are very hard rocks, you see. up to this place right here. So water started coming back. Water started coming back to this other side right here. You see people taking good photos right there. That's an amazing place. So I recommend to you, if you wanna be paying a visit at Mombasa, make sure you come at this place at Vasco da Gama Pillar. It's at Malindi National Museum. It's just a nice place. You see, they decided to do what we call like, to construct this place very well. Maybe I should go with this place right here. To good. From this side right here, you can tell from this rock right here. It's just an amazing rock. A rock. But you see, the government decided to build this place right here so that to protect that they built something like a barrier to protect what we call like water. But water isn't unprotected, you know. You can't build a barrier for water. Water can even take away everything, you see. So the other side right there, you see, is a very amazing place, a very rocky place. So the government decided to do what we call like to build this place right here, you see. Hi Papa. So the other side, you see this place right here. So those are the sea divers. Those are the sea divers, you see. Those are the sea divers right there. So right there, like the sea divers, deep sea divers. I don't know what they went there to take, maybe some shells and other things. So that's not much for me. So I was about to tell you this about the construction of this site. So they saw that this place was going to be washed away by the hard waves or hard currents from this place right here, by strong currents by this side. So the government decided to build this amazing wall right here to protect that pillar, right there. So you see, water comes up to this place right here. So to me, like this Indian Ocean right here, it's very crazy. You can see, very crazy. So the main intention of this guy, so let me know at the comment section, what do you think about this place? Do such places exist back in your countries or back in your villages? It's really a nice place. So I've just left a question for the geographers, and if you know what type of rocks are these, kindly tell me at the comment section so that I can know and also educate more people about these types of rocks. So yeah, this is the amazing place you can come pay a visit. It's called Vasco da Gama. So you see, look at these rocks right here. Yeah. So the funny thing of this thing is, like, you see the other side right there, you see things like blocks. So those blocks were around this place here. They were helping to anchor what we call like the ships, but for now they are no longer working. Only people come to step on this side when they're just coming back. So you see that bird? Look at it. So this rocky side right here. So I just left a question. How do we call these rocks right here? You see, even this place here, they are trying to paint, like to do something and leave a mark right there. So you see, they look like a pumice stone, not pumice stone. So pumice stone, looks like a pumice stone. So pumice stone is the stone that we use to do what we call like we wash legs with. For those people, we have what we call like cracked legs. Yeah. So we use that stone. It's called pumice stone. We use that stone to do what we call like to scrub the legs so that they wanna become smooth. Yes guys, so this is it, the Vasco da Gama pillar. So I wanna say thank you so much, and if it's your very first time on this channel, kindly consider subscribing, liking and sharing this amazing video, educative and informative video. So we are on the road to 3K subscribers, guys. Thank you so much for making this boy hit 2K subscribers. See you in my next amazing content. Bye.